What we'll be discussing here is steps you could take to improve your website ranking. Let's look at a typical website. For this purpose, we will choose our site, CW3 Web Hosting. This basically is a HTML design. HTML is a page language that tells the browser what to do. The language is made up of what is called tags, where each tag is an instruction to the browser. Here we'll take a look at my view source, and as you can see, we have the HTML tag, the heading tag, and here we have other tags. But for our purposes, the tags we'll be interested in are the meta tags. These tags tell the search engine information about your website. If your site is selling a product such as pizza, and you serve food, then your title should be John's Pizza and Italian Restaurant. In our case, the title is CW3 Web Hosting, Website Hosting, and so on. The keyword should be stuff like Sicilian pizza, Napolitan pizza, lasagna, calzones, pretty much covering all the items you sell. The description should read something like John's Pizza of Highland Park, served in the area of wherever John's Pizza happens to be. The description should be about 250 characters. You want to put in a location in the description as to let the search engine know where you are. After all, there could be thousands of John's Pizza shops across the country. To help you with the meta tags, we have a very good tool that allows you to create them and just paste them in your HTML document. If you're using a software such as a CMS, shopping cart, blogging, or other type, then you will need to edit the tags within the admin section of your software. Search engines look at many things when they view your website. They look at the title, the description. Although they say they no longer use keywords, I have found that they do use them. Lastly, they look at the content of your web page. They look for headings in the content, since they think if you created a heading, then it must be important. So your heading should be a phrase that you feel is important, such as the type of pizza. So if you're doing brick oven baking, then your heading should be large and should read brick oven pizza. Of course, there is much more finer points I could talk about that can help, but this is all we have time for in this video. Search engine submission is not important. The search engines will find your site, but if you wish to help it along, you can use our free submitter on httpsend.com. There are many that charge for search engine submission, and this is a waste of money. Submission to directories is well worth the effort and fees required, and I strongly recommend this. As you can see from HTTP Send, we have the most popular search engines of the ones that allow submission, and you can just choose the ones you want to submit to and put in your website address and of course your email goes there. Last, on closing, there's another thing that will help in both Bing and Google, is that they both have maps. I strongly recommend to sign up to include your business in both of these, as it can help move you up in location searching. I hope this helps, and over time we'll make more videos to help you with your website needs.